This video is brought to you by HSBC Bank, but don't click away yet because I can show you this bank account is really the one that you should have. And I'm very glad that HSBC is sponsoring this video. Otherwise, I wouldn't even talk about it. I want to hide all the benefits to myself, you see. But let's talk about the HSBC Everyday Global Account today. Now, the headline benefit for this HSBC Everyday Global Account, let's call this EGA for short, is that it can earn you additional 1% on almost everything that you spend using this account. How does it work? I'll go into the details. You see, when you apply for HSBC credit cards, they will always advertise this Everyday Plus Rewards program side by side, right? Ask you to sign up for the EGA in order to get on this Everyday Plus Rewards program. And I felt that it's one of the best programs to date. Because let's take a look at what they're offering, right? Specifically on the credit cards, it's going to give you 1% additional cashback on top of your credit card rewards. Meaning that if you sign up for like HSBC Revolution Visa, which I talk about how it can earn you 10x points and 4 miles per dollar, right? You're getting 1% cashback on top of the 4 miles per dollar for all the spend if you qualify for the HSBC Everyday Plus Rewards program. So sometimes people do like to compare credit cards and they want to see like this 4 miles per dollar credit cards from the competitor bank versus the HSBC Revolution Visa, which also offers you 4 miles per dollar on PayWave transactions, contactless transactions, and also online transactions on the whitelist category, right? So they see, 4 miles per dollar, both also 4 miles per dollar, so which one better? But you see, if you qualify for HSBC Everyday Plus Rewards program, you get 4 miles per dollar plus a 1% additional cashback. So that 1% additional cashback may be the deciding factor on why you should choose an HSBC credit card over the competitor bank. Now, if you're really averse to credit cards, not to worry, because you can still open this HSBC Everyday Global Account and get their Everyday Global Debit Card. Now, why use this debit card is because it has 0 foreign currency transaction fees similar to those on the market, and at the same time, it also gives you 1% cashback. So you see, you're avoiding a fees and you're also getting 1% cashback. And that's on the debit card, don't compare to credit card. We are talking about debit card here that gives you 0 fee on foreign currency spend and 1% additional cashback. If I had this kind of card during my student days, I'll be so happy already, Now, if you think the previous 2 benefits are really good enough, the third one is going to be more exciting because it's going to give you additional 1% on all GIRO bill payments that's coming out of your Everyday Global Account. And I personally have benefited very much from this because I do any kind of GIRO bill payments, I get 1% back. You can pay to Town Council, you can pay to HDB, you can pay to IRAS, you can pay to a lot of places that accepts GIRO as payments, you can pay to your insurance companies, and all these places do not give you rewards on credit card, right? So anything that goes out of your EGA gets 1% cashback, which I think is very good. You see, would you rather earn $0 when you make normal payments, or would you want 1% cashback? And all these are not small payments, mind you. If you are paying to IRAS, HDB, insurance, all these are big bill payments, and you get 1% back. I think that's a good deal for just additional effort on it. Now, just to show you guys, my HSBC Everyday Global Account has been getting the Everyday Plus cashback. So you see this on my mobile app. I've been getting like very nice Everyday Plus cashback throughout the months that I've been using this account. But of course, there's definitely a limit, right? Because you see your 1% cashback is capped at $300 a month. Okay, $300 a month is pretty good already. It means that you have $30,000 worth of bill payments or credit card spending, which I think not many people can hit that level. I think they're very generous with the cap. I'm perfectly fine with it. I think $300 is a very good cap for such a very good benefit Everyday Plus Rewards program. Now, if you think that is alright, your EGA can also give you really high interest for your savings account. Now, how do they calculate is that there's 1% per annum bonus interest on incremental SGD average daily balance. So for example, in the previous month, you had $10,000 in your Everyday Global Account, right? And then now, in the current month, you have $22,000 in your EGA, which means that you have $12,000 additional in incremental average daily balance. And if you take that 1% on this $12,000, you will get $120 per annum, but you have to divide it by 12 because it's monthly giving you back the interest, which means that with this $12,000 worth of incremental ADB, average daily balance, you get $10 extra credited into your EGA, which I think is a quite good amount of interest, right? Just additional money that you can spend on all the small things in life. But of course, the 1% bonus interest also has a cap of $300 a month, which I think is reasonable because if you take $300 times 12, and divide it by 1%, you're talking about additional 360,000 of average daily balance on your EGA. So I don't think for normal retail users, we will hit the cap or bonus interest of $300 anyway lah. So after all the benefits that I've analyzed, you may think that it's very difficult to qualify, right? Must have some cash in it, okay? Because so good benefit, how can it be so easy? But the truth is, it's relatively easy, you know. All you have to do is to deposit at least $2,000 into your EGA every month. Okay, you can do it through internet banking, you can do it through bank transfer. So it can come from your other banks, it can come from your salary. And the second condition is just to perform at least 5 transactions on your EGA, outgoing transactions. So that means you can do 5 transfers out, you can do 5 bill payments out, or you can spend 5 times on your credit card, your HSBC credit card. All of this accumulated, you will be eligible for the Everyday Plus Rewards program. So really, that's it, you know, so simple. I think it's easier than some of the high interest savings account requirement, you know. All you have to do, put in $2,000 every month. You just have to automate it. That's what I did. I automated $2,000 of bank transfer every month into HSBC EGA. And of course, I will do more than 5 transactions on EGA based on bill payments, credit card spending per month. So I'll hit it automatically every month, easily. Now, if you are someone who don't qualify for credit cards with HSBC, either you are a student or you're self-employed, then you can also get the HSBC Global Debit Card, because these cards will give you like 0 fee foreign currency transactions for these 10 major currencies around the world. And at the same time, you can do cash withdrawals for 0 fees at any HSBCs internationally, especially in places where credit and debit cards are not widely accepted, right? And you need to do cash withdrawals. So I think this HSBC Global Debit Card is also good to have in your pocket should the need arises, right? You never know when you need it, so you just have to get it. Also, if you have friends and families abroad and you want to send money through remittance, maybe you can use this HSBC Global Debit Card for it. So yes, here is my quick summary of the HSBC Everyday Global Account coupled with the Everyday Plus Reward Program. I don't think I've really recommended bank accounts to anyone, but if there's only one bank account that I recommend, this will be it. And I think the benefit is really good and the requirements are really easy to hit. And if you have not signed up for the EGA account but are interested now, then you can check out my link below. It will help you learn about the EGA in the full detail. And for the current HSBC promotion, you may look at this EGA X Cards bundle, which is valid from 1st of September 2023 till the end of the year. Get up to $880 worth of rewards when you sign up for the HSBC Everyday Global Account and an eligible credit card. And this is how to qualify step by step. Step 1. Open a HSBC Everyday Global Account. Step 2. Sign up for an eligible HSBC credit card and choose either a Samsonite Zelta 69cm spinner luggage worth 680 Singapore dollars or 150 Singapore dollars cashback as your welcome gift and provide marketing consent upon applying for the credit card. Step 3. Make a monthly deposit of at least 5,000 Singapore dollars in your HSBC Everyday Global Account and make 5 eligible transactions with your new HSBC credit or debit card for 2 consecutive months. Step 4. Spend at least 1,000 Singapore dollars on your new HSBC credit card. Step 5. Receive an additional 200 Singapore dollars as part of your HSBC Everyday Global Account welcome gift bundle. So in summary, a customer can get $200 plus $150, totaling up to 350 Singapore dollars of cash rewards. Remember, this is valid till 31st December 2023 and terms and conditions apply. And this promotion is only applicable to the following credit cards, which are HSBC Visa Platinum Credit Card or HSBC Revolution Credit Card or HSBC Advanced Credit Card. Also, if you want to learn more about HSBC credit cards, I did a card review for them and comparing the various different credit cards of HSBC Bank right here.